Good day, good morning, good afternoon. How are you doing? I hope your day is going fine. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is your man Michael Armstrong, and we are here today to make some money. All right. Before we continue, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscription below this video. Make sure, ladies and gentlemen, you like this video as well so that the algorithm will send you much more of our videos. Check the description. There's going to be a link there that takes you straight to our free Telegram channel where you have access to free signals and many more free products. The link is clipped there in the comment section for you as well. All right. AI Screener version 2.0. That is what we're going to be using today. Let's go ahead and find out how does this operate. Let's go. All right, the instruction says artificial intelligence screener. You choose between your classic market and OTC market, and then you're gonna attach a nice screenshot of your chart. Then you wait for a few seconds while the analysis changes stages, and then you get a forecast with the direction and the trade time. All right, it's gonna give you the trade time to execute, but simply what you need to know is you take a very nice screenshot, you send it to our guy here, and he is gonna process it and give you the direction of the market, telling you to buy or to sell. All right, let's hit the OTC market today, and first of all, list is gonna be OTC. All right, people. Cisco OTC. That's gonna be our first trade. Let's go ahead and take a very nice screenshot of Cisco OTC, attaching it to our AI screen, and we're gonna hold on tight and see what the prediction is gonna be. Since once we send it, it will start analyzing it and give us the forecast. Ladies and gentlemen, it's studying candlesticks, and what is it gonna be? It is a 30 seconds buy. Let's set our timer on 30 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, and execute a buy order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. Prediction is that this is gonna be a strong volatile level trade and a success probability to be high. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. On our timer, we have 16 seconds left, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna hold on and see how this is gonna play out. All right, 11 seconds left on the timer. The buyers are pushing up the market. We're gonna trust the process and hold on tight to see how this is gonna play out. 4 seconds left on the timer. 3 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. 2 seconds. 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is a very nice win for us today. First trade of the day, and that is a good way to start in the market. All right, American Express OTC. That's gonna be our next trade. We're gonna go ahead and scale this account, ladies and gentlemen. For every trade, we take maximum our account balance, 100% risk. All right, taking a nice screenshot of American Express, ladies and gentlemen, attaching it to my AI screener. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, people. It says once we send it to start analyzing and give us the forecast. So we're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna. And ladies and gentlemen, it's a 15-second sell. Setting my timer on 15 seconds and executing a sell order for this trade. All right, prediction is that this is strongly volatile, success probability to be medium. 8 seconds left on the timer. 6 seconds left. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is another win. Nice and smooth. We are cruising away in the market already. Let's keep cruising, ladies and gentlemen. Johnson & Johnson OTC, maximum account balance. Let's go ahead and ask our trading board what the prediction is gonna be for Johnson & Johnson AI screener. Sorry, let's go ahead and take a very nice screenshot of AI screener to send it to our AI screener, ladies and gentlemen. Our trading chart to our AI screener. All right, it's processing. It says it's gonna analyze and give us a forecast, and it is building strategies, ladies and gentlemen. Studying candlesticks, and what is it gonna be? It is a 5-second sell. Let's set our timer on 5 seconds and execute a sell order on this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see. 3 seconds left on the timer. 2 seconds. 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Nice and smooth. We are cruising in the market. We have been able to trade our account from 20 USD to 140 USD. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade. Pfizer Inc. OTC. Pfizer Inc. OTC, 30 seconds on the timer, 140 USD. That's 100% RX. Let's go ahead and take a very nice screenshot of Pfizer Inc. OTC, ladies and gentlemen, and send it in for our AI screener. And what is it gonna be? We're gonna hold on tight and see why it processes and analyzes and gives us the forecast. It's building strategies and it's studying candlesticks. And what is it gonna be, people? We're gonna hold on and see, and it is gonna be a 1-minute sell. Setting my timer on 1 minute and executing a sell order on this trade, people. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out after a 60 seconds waiting time. Prediction is that this is gonna be a strong volatility level trade with a success probability set to be high. On our timer, we have 46 seconds left, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, this is your AI screener version 2.0 predicting this trade to be a sell, and as we can see, the buyers have pushed the market. We are hoping the sellers are gonna come in and drag the market downwards to give us our next win in the market. All we had to do was to send screenshots of our chart. It processes and gives us the parameters of the trade, and as you can see, this is our fourth trade of the session. We were able to record 3 different wins, and on this fourth trade, the prediction is that this is gonna be a strong volatile trade with a success probability to be high. All right, the sellers have come in, pushing down the market. We're gonna hold on tight, ladies and gentlemen. We're almost there. 7 seconds left on the timer. 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. That's another win for us today. Looking good, and we are cruising hard in the market. Let's go ahead and hit the market with the next trade, and which is gonna be on ExxonMobil OTC. ExxonMobil OTC maximum account balance risk. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our new forecast. Taking a very nice screenshot of ExxonMobil OTC. We're gonna go ahead and send it in for our AI screener to process it and analyze it and give us the forecast. It's studying candlesticks, and what is it gonna be? 270 bucks on the line. It is a 5 seconds buy, people. Setting my timer on 5 seconds and executing a buy order on maximum account balance. 3 seconds left on the timer. 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is a close one and a fast one at that. Nice and smooth. We are cruising in the market, people. Already on our $500 mark. That is nice. We're able to trade this account from 20 USD to 519 USD. Amazon OTC. That's gonna be our next trade. Amazon OTC. Let's go ahead and take a very nice screenshot of Amazon OTC and send it in for our AI screener. What the prediction is gonna be, we're gonna hold on tight and see how the prediction is gonna come for this trade. It's building strategies, studying candlesticks, and what is it gonna be, people? It is a 30 seconds buy. Let's go ahead and set our timer on 30 seconds and execute a buy order for this trade. Prediction is that this is gonna be a strong volatility level trade with a success probability said to be high. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out with 18 seconds left on our timer. We're gonna hold on and see how this is gonna play out. Our AI screener version 2.0 predicting this to be a buy. The sellers are pushing down the market, but we're gonna trust the process and hold on tight to see how this is gonna play out. 5 seconds left on the timer. 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. That was a close catch, but yes, we were able to secure our next win in the market today. All right, let's go ahead and hit the market with one more trade, which is gonna come on. All right, one more trade for our AI screener. Let's go ahead and hit the market with Coinbase Global, taking a nice screenshot and attaching it to our AI screener. For this session, this is gonna be our last trade. We're gonna hold on tight. It says once we send it to analyze and give us a forecast. And ladies and gentlemen, what is it gonna be? It is a 15 seconds buy. Setting my timer on 15 seconds and executing a buy order. Ladies and gentlemen, this is predicted to be a strong volatility level trade with a success probability to be medium. Alright, it's your man Michael Armstrong with AI screener in the market today. 4 seconds left on the timer. 3 seconds, 2, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Nice and smooth. We were able to trade our account from 20 USD to 1913.57. All we had to do was send screenshots to our AI screener version 2.0. It processes it and gives us the forecast. As you can see, we're able to take a number of trades, and we were able to turn our account from 20 USD to 1913. Let's go ahead and calculate the total amount of money we have by subtracting from our current account balance, which is 1913. We are going to go ahead and subtract the initial investment, which is the starting account balance of 20 USD. In total, ladies and gentlemen, today we're able to make 1,893.57 USD. Isn't this amazing? We're able to do that within a short period of time, in less than 15 minutes, and we were able to boost our account from 20 USD to 1,800. Ladies and gentlemen, this is AI screener version 2.0 in action, and like I said, ladies and gentlemen, I highly recommend this product. Make sure you get it for yourself and use it in the market to make a lot of money within the short period of time. All right, it's your man Michael Armstrong. I'm gonna be signing out now, but before I do that, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscription button below this video. Make sure, ladies and gentlemen, you like this video as well. Check the description. I remind you there's gonna be a link there for you to join our free Telegram channel, where you have access to free signals and many more free products. The link is clipped in the comment section as well. Alright, I'm gonna be signing out now. Wish you good luck in the market and success in your trades. Bye.